So what are we doing this morning?
This morning we're going up to the neighbor's house to tend to his animals. Talking of the bird variety. As you can hear the rooster.
Yeah, roosters, chickens, ducks, but no goats, which I'm very sad. But there are goats that go by here.
Our neighbor is back home in Toronto. And so we're here and he asked us if we can go feed and water his animals. So let's go do that. Help out a neighbor. So the secondary door is well secured.
Oh my God, look at all the eggs. Holy smokes. He just got out.
How did he get out?
Right there. Hi, baby. Well, we'll have to catch him and put him back in. Hi, guys. I'm not so distressed now. Except for this guy's a little aggressor. A little aggressive. Hey? Yeah, but you're my friend now, right? You aren't gonna bite me anymore, right? Seems to like me now. I think he was just scared. I think he was just scared. Yeah, he's just a little scared. Okay, there's where the water comes from. This big tank. Ready? Now they've got water. Okay. Shutting it off. Yeah, see, he's not aggressive anymore. You happy now, baby? Yeah, be a lot better. No more fighting with us, because we just wanted to change your water. All right.
These guys have some.
And they have
But
some,
if we go get some feed, I'm gonna go in there and clean out those tubes.
Right.
They're kind of crusty.
Okay, so they need to be cleaned out too. Yeah, because the toppers here, these toppers are supposed to be protecting them from the rain, but they came off.
But there is feed in there.
We'll have to tie them down when we get some more feed. Okay? And you won't have no more water in your feed. Okay,
They're
so
kind of crusty. They have some, but maybe I should go in there.
you have to go in there because this is the one that was trying to get out of the cage. Okay, so you're gonna go in there and change it? Okay. So it was pretty clumped up, hey, Papa?
Yeah, there was no feed in there. It just looked like there was.
I'm gonna show the clumps here.
Here.
Yeah.
I'll just...
I got it. No, I got it. I can see it through the fence. And they're eating it because they couldn't get to it. It's all clumped up. But we're going to give them some fresh stuff that we scavenged from the other ones. We took from Peter to give to Paul. That's fine. As long as it holds.
Yeah, just go around.
This is a little escaper right there. Wants to escape.
Okay.
You did, honey.
Okay, so which one?
This guy didn't. Is it this guy that didn't have any? Her. It's the beautiful turkey.
These ones here.
Yep. Yeah, there's a lot of them, so they're gonna need a lot of feed, hon. Mm-hmm. Perfect. There you go, babe.
Okay, so who else? Let's make sure everybody's got some.
Okay. Let's make sure this is shut. These guys got lots. And those guys, you said you wanted to fix the tubes.
That's the guys?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's put the water hose in here.
Yeah, I'd say. Because water will be easier going down than up. Okay, now I'll go turn it on. We're filling up the pool.